How to remove a device from using end-to-end encryption for Facebook Messenger. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick way to remove a device from using end-to-end encryption for Facebook Messenger. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips. Without much ado, let's get started. Launch Facebook Messenger app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account and you will reach on the chat section of Facebook Messenger. Tap three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Now tap gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Tap privacy and safety option. Now tap end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap security alerts. And now tap view all logins. So these are all the devices that has been logging to our Facebook Messenger. Now you need to select the particular device that you want to remove from using end-to-end encryption for Facebook Messenger. Simply tap on the particular device, scroll down. Now tap logout button at the bottom of the screen, and now when you tap on the logout button, it will successfully log out of Facebook on Chrome. Once done, that's it. That's how we remove a device from using end-to-end encryption for Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.